Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the highest common factor using the division method. The HCF is the largest positive integer that divides two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. This method is particularly useful for larger numbers, offering a systematic approach to determine their greatest common divisor. We'll walk through the steps, ensuring you understand each part of the process to confidently apply it yourself. Let's start with two numbers, say 24 and 36. First, divide 36 by 24, which gives a remainder of 12. Now, make 12 the new divisor and 24 the new dividend. Dividing 24 by 12 results in a remainder of 0. Since 12 was the last non-zero divisor, it is the HCF of 24 and 36. This systematic approach makes finding the HCF straightforward. When you have three or more numbers, the process is a simple extension. For example, with 12, 18, and 30, first find the HCF of 12 and 18. This would be 6. Next, find the HCF of 6 and the third number, 30. Dividing 30 by 6 gives a remainder of 0, so 6 is the HCF. This sequential application ensures accuracy for any quantity of numbers. The division method for finding the HCF is incredibly efficient, especially when dealing with larger numbers where prime factorization might be cumbersome. It offers a clear, algorithmic approach that is easy to understand and apply. Mastering this technique not only helps with HCF calculations, but also builds a strong foundation for more advanced mathematical concepts. Keep practicing, and you'll become an expert in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.